Hi, welcome to my Construct3 video tutorial. Okay, this is the interface of Construct3. If you were to look at it, actually it is quite similar to Construct2. The only difference is that Construct3 is the cloud-based. Okay, first thing first, let us just start with the interface first. Okay, on the left will be your property bars. Okay, where you will be able to see what is going on when you input most of your sprite in this area in the middle. Okay, and on the left is where the project bar is okay, layout, event sheet. Okay, and at the bottom you will see more. For now you won't be seeing anything because we have not done anything yet. Okay, let me just get you to focus on this dotted line over here. Okay, this dotted line indicates that anything within this, okay, it will be shown first when you actually click on the preview. Okay, what is a preview is you can actually see the actual game area. Okay, when you actually are doing all the necessary what you call it, all the necessary build up to your game. Okay, now okay, let us just change the size so that actually we will not need to have the whole playing area. Okay, we just need to have something which is only focusing in between the dotted line. So 2560, we are going to actually change it to 1280. Okay, by 720. Okay, as you can see now the dotted line is actually gone, but actually it's still there. What we're going to do is we're just going to focus on the playing area. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to actually create the player. Okay, we call the player, actually it is a sprite. So right click on your mouse, insert new object, slide down the bar, click on sprite, and then name it as player, and then click on insert, and you will have your cursor now a cross mark. Left click on your mouse and you should have this editor. Okay, so it's very easy. We are not going to create anything fancy. First thing first, okay, let us just choose a color. Maybe I want my player to be purple in color. Okay, and I'm going to use the fill bucket over here. Just click on it and then click inside this box. Alright, I'm going to create an eye, okay, for the player. Use the brush tool. Okay, increase the size a bit. Okay, at this moment of time the color is still purple, so for the eyes I want to have the white part of the eye first. Okay, as you can see, when I put it inside the box, okay, you can see it's a perfect circle. What you can do is just increase the size a bit more. I think that is perfect. Okay, now we're going to use, okay, the color black, slide here. Okay, and again we are going to use the brush tool. This time around we are going to reduce the size a bit. Okay, I think this one looks fine. Now we are going to actually draw the mouth over here. We are going to use the line tools. Okay, and again we are going to use, we can actually still use black. Okay, I'll show you how it how it is done. Okay, click left and hold, and you can actually drag it out. Okay, maybe just put somewhere here, click, hold, and then drag. Okay, so if let's say you want to fill white in between here, so you can actually show is this. Okay, use the fill bucket. Okay, use white and then just click in the middle there. Okay, so I think this is okay. Okay, like I said, we don't need anything fancy. Click on the cross mark here to close it, and you should have your player in here. Okay, but what you need to do is okay, you will need to click on shift on your keyboard and then left click on the edge here so that it is proportionate. When you actually reduce the size, it is proportionate. Now for this one, okay, for this player at this point of time, it is just a graphic, it doesn't move, it doesn't do anything, so we are going to actually add in a behavior. Okay, just click on your player, and on your property bars, okay, you will see the word behavior over here. Just click once, add new behavior. Because this is going to be a platform game, okay, we are going to actually use under movement, platform, and then add. Okay, now you can actually click on the preview to see what, how, or and is there anything happening. Okay, as you can see, the player just drop down, okay, because of course because of gravity, but you won't be seeing it inside playing area because you have not put in something at the bottom here, the floor, for it to fall on. Okay, close it. Now we are going to create a floor. Again, right click, insert object over here, and then do a sprite. This time name it as floor, because I believe floor has been taken the name, so you can put floor 1. Click on insert, and then you will see again the cross mark. This time around still using the fill bucket, okay, but I want the ground to look something brownish. And then once I've already selected the fill bucket, just click inside here and then close. Okay, what you have is this square box. Just flatten it a bit and just put right at the bottom over here, stretch it out. Okay, but now what you need to do is, again, okay, we are going to actually add in a behavior. Click on that, click on behavior, add new behavior. We are going to put in solid. Okay, let us just see what happened. Click on the preview, and yeah, you can see that your player now, okay, doesn't just fall through the floor, right? If let's say you use your arrow button on your keyboard, okay, you can actually now control your player. Okay, if you press right, you will go towards the right, press left, you will move left, up button, then you will see that it's jumping. Okay, of course you don't need to use the down arrow because the gravity will pull him down automatically. Close it. Okay, so you have your first tutorial on how to create a player and also the floor. Okay, I'll see you again on the next tutorial.